Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add stickers in chat. So what you need to do is go to the section where you chat, uh, click the profile which you want to send the sticker. After that, here on the right side you will see this the third one emoji here, and it will open up some Giphy stickers. Now you can search them here by expressive, then we have bug cat kapoo and so on. Also we can create our own sticker. So if we go here to cutouts and choose the picture we want, and then it will with generating AI in background put our options here. Then I will select manually, click on that, and now we can create manually a sticker. So you just need to click into this region. I can now, as you can see, stickers was created right here, and now I can put it here into the chat. Also, if we long press sticker, we can put it wherever we want in the chat. So let's try with that one here, for example, and to put it right here. So now you can see these stickers are in the chat, and those two are wherever basically we want. So if you long press to it and press move, you can move these stickers on the chat. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.